Jamal, how we going with that hoop?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
He's gone pretty good. He's actually got no fucking idea, and I'm going to call his dad.
Here at Ozi4x4, when it's time to play, there's nothing better than chucking your ball inside. What is this called again? This is the time to come down to Ozi4x4 and let's play, you know what I mean? Just hold it, and I'll put it in. That's what she said. Bro, I can't do this. I'm going to let you do it.
And that's one thing I'm not good for. Yes! But you know what? I'm the best at beating anyone at the price. We're doing a crazy Black Friday. Is it Black Friday? Crazy Black Friday sale going on. 10% store-wide, including trays and canopies. And Jeremy, what do you reckon of that?
Beautiful.
You see that? You see that? I've got the warehouse manager here that you can hire about $250 from 6 p.m. till about midnight. Is that okay? Are we still doing that? After 6 o'clock. So after 6 o'clock, he's pretty much yours. 1300-694-494. We've got one of the most craziest freight prices in Australia. We're also going to be shipping down to New Zealand. Let us know what you think, guys.